Butterfly presents Rapid Glass Top 2-burner gas stove. This gas stove is designed by keeping the modular kitchen in mind. It is aesthetically designed and has a compact size which is suitable for modern kitchens. The unbreakable toughened glass provides a longer life to your gas stove. It can withstand heavyweight vessels. The smart lock pan feature provides stability to your cooking. The stainless steel spill tray ensures less chances of rusting and is also easy to clean. The heavy-duty efficient brass burners ensure equal distribution of heat by having uniform holes. It has high thermal efficiency, resulting in using the gas cylinder for longer days. The sturdy flame-retardant panel allows you to stand in front of the gas stove and cook for a long time. The gas stove is equipped with heat-resistant rubber legs that provide stability and resistance against heat. It has a rust-free powder-coated frame which increases the life of the product. The unbreakable ABS knob of this gas stove is durable and easy to operate. The glass top is very easy and convenient to clean. Visit the product detail page to know more about warranty, installation, scheduled delivery and EMI options.